I want to show you this Dash Egg Cooker Deluxe. It will hard boil 12 eggs at once. It will air the pans for the 7 poached eggs at once. It will make an omelet or steamed dumplings and vegetables. All of the external parts except for the electrical is dishwasher safe. The measuring cup, it gives levels for each type of egg you want. If you want poached, if you want medium soft, if you want omelet, if you want hard boiled eggs, you will fill up to the fill line. There is on the bottom a pin. You're going to poke a hole in the broadest side bottom of the egg. And when you put the eggs in, you're going to put the whole side up. When it's done, it will chime, a little musical chime. I hope you enjoy your egg cooker. We have been enjoying it in our house. When we have a lot of people, I can feed everybody pretty fast.